Let's unbox the Trezor One wallet. Trezor is a hardware wallet for storing cryptocurrency. You can store over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies. Make sure these security tab stickers are intact before using it, and make sure it hasn't been tampered with. A good way to do that is to buy directly from Trezor and not from a site like eBay or from someone that you don't trust. Inside the box are these stickers. There's black and white ones. By the way, this is not a sponsored review. I just personally bought this and I'm using it, so I'm not particularly biased in one way or another. The Trezor costs around €69, $75 at this point in 2019. It comes with these two of these cards for writing down your secret private key, or your recovery seed, really. And so you write this down, you store this somewhere safe, and then that way if you ever lose your Trezor, or if it gets stolen, you can always recreate your wallet on a different device. Here's the instruction card. It comes with this USB cable. It's a micro USB shorter cable. The Trezor itself has a nice little screen protector on it, or kind of a front plastic protector. You just peel this off. The device has two buttons on the front for making selections and interacting and approving transactions. And then also it has the micro USB port on the bottom for powering up and interfacing with your computer or your device. So this is everything that comes in the Trezor One when you buy it. Hopefully you found this video informative. You can learn more at trezor.io. Catch you in the next video.